या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करा प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा।
नमस्कार कोंकणी शिकतल्यांका स्वागत। आज आम्ही शिकचे फॅमिली रिलेशन्स and how to address your relatives. आमगेल्या संबंधिकाले नावां आणि तांकां कशी आपोवचे हाजे बद्दल शिकया। First, mother. When you directly address I, Amma, Navemai. In secondary address, Avsu. So repeat. I, Amma, Mai, Nave, Avsu. Daughter is Dhuva. Daughter is Dhuva. Secondary address, Chelli. Daughter, Dhuva or Chelli. Father, Bappa. Anu is a primary address. Bappa, name Anu, primary address. Secondary address is Bappusu. Secondary is Bappusu. So for father, we call Bappa or Anu, or we address as Bappusu. Son is Putu. Son is Putu. Secondary address is Cello. Secondary Cello. Son is Putu or Cello. Brother, Bhau. Brother is Bhau. You can also call Anna or Dada. Brother is Bhau, Anna or Dada. Sister is Bhaini. Sister is Bhaini. So elder is either Malgada or Hodu. Malgada or Hodu. So the elder brother is Malgad Bhau or Hod Bhau. Elder brother is Malgada Bhau or Hod Bhau. Elder sister is Malgadi Bhaini, Malgadi Bhaini or Hodi Bhaini. Malgadi Bhaini nave Hodi Bhaini. Younger is Dhaklo or Dhakli. Younger brother, so Dhaklo Bhau, younger brother, Dhaklo Bhau, younger sister, Dhakli Bhaini. Repeat. For brother, primary address Dada or Anna. Secondary is Bhau. For sister is Bhaini. Elder is Malgada or Hodu. For younger, Dhaklo or Dhakli. Next, grandparents. Grandfather, Ajja or Abu. Grandfather, Ajja or Abu. grandmother is Ajji. Grandmother, Ajji. Granddaughter, Nati. Granddaughter, Nati. Grandson, Nattu. Grandson, Nattu. Collectively, grandchildren, Natra. Grandchildren, Natra. Repeat. Grandfather, Ajja or Abu. Grandmother is Ajji. Granddaughter, Nati. Grandson is Nattu. Collectively, grandchildren, Natra. You can also address your grandmother is your father's mother, Bappa Ai, Bappai, or Bappal Amma, Bappamma. Grandmother is Bappai or Bappamma. You can also use Anamma or Mamamma. Some grandparents or grandmothers uniquely addressed from where they come from, like if you come from Kumta, you call Kumte Amma. If you come from Dharwad, call Dharwad Amma. So repeat, Bappali Ai, Bappai, Annali Amma, Anamma, or you come from a specific place, Kumte Amma or Dharwad Amma. The note, great grandfather in Konkani referred as Pizzo, great grandfather is Pizzo, great grandmother is Pidgey. Other way, great grandson Panto, great granddaughter is Panti. Uncle is Mamu, uncle Mamu. Aunt is Mami, uncle Mamu. Aunt is Mami. Dad's elder brother, also uncle, is called Mhantu. Dad's elder brother, also uncle, called Mhantu, and his wife is a Mhama. Dad's elder brother is a Mhantu, and his wife is Mhama. There are some universal notations. For example, older person who is uncle is addressed as Mamu and you call him Mama or Bhavaji. Bhavaji and Mamu are universally accepted terms for a older relative. For a lady, call Mai, Maushi or Vaini. Respectfully address a lady as a Mai, Maushi or Vaini. Father's younger brother's wife or mother's younger sister are called Pachi. Father's younger brother's wife or mother's younger sister called Pachi. Mother's older sister is Mhama. Mother's older sister is Mhama. Mother's brother is a Mamu. Mother's brother is a Mamu. In a marital relationship, husband is Ghovu. Husband is Ghovu. A primary address for husband respectfully is Hanni. Hanni is the gentleman's address for husband. Husband's older brother, Bhavo. Husband's older brother is Bhavo. आणि भाव्याला बायला Java. Husband's older brother is Bhavo and his wife Bhavyali Baila is Java. Husband's younger brother is Deru. Husband's younger brother is Deru. Husband's sister Nananda. Husband's sister is Nananda. Father-in-law is Mau. Mother-in-law is Mai. Mau, Mai. I repeat. Bhava, Java, Deru, Nananda, Mau, Mai. From wife side, Baila is wife. Baila, wife. Wife's brother is a Mevna. Wife's brother, Mevna. Wife's sister, Mevni. And in-laws are Mau, Mai. Repeat. Baila, Mevna, Mevni, Mau, Mai. Daughter-in-law is Suna. Daughter-in-law is Suna. So daughter, Dhuva, son, Putu. Daughter-in-law is Suna. So Putu, Suna, son and daughter-in-law. Son-in-law is Jamai. Son-in-law is Jamai. So daughter is Dhuva. Son-in-law is Jamai. So Dhuva, Jamai. I repeat. Putu, Suna, Dhuva, Jamai. Brother's son is Puttarni. Puttarnyo. Brother's daughter is Dhudi. Brother's daughter, Dhudi. For nephew and niece, sister's son is a Bhacho. Sister's daughter is a Bhachi. Elder brother's wife is Vaini or Honni. Elder brother's wife is Honni or Vaini. Wife's sister's husband is a Saddu, addressed as Bhavaji. Wife's sister's husband, Saddu, or addressed as Bhavaji. Today we have learned words used in describing family relations and how to address your close family relatives. आजी आम्ही शिकिले आमगेल संबंधिकांक कशी आपोवचे आनी तांगेल नांव कसने कोंकणी शिकतल्यांक नमस्कार आनी मेळ्या.